Hello financial explorers. Today we embark on a transformative journey through the crucial milestone of accumulating the first $100,000 in your life. This isn't just a number, it's a testament to your dedication, discipline, and financial wisdom. Join me as we navigate the seas of wealth building, exploring the key principles that will shape your financial odyssey. Let's begin with earning your first dollars. Whether through your first job, freelancing, or entrepreneurial ventures, those initial dollars mark the beginning of your financial odyssey. Each hard-earned penny lays the foundation for your financial future. As you navigate through the twists and turns of your financial journey, the concept of saving emerges as the unsung hero of financial success. Starting small and consistently stashing away a portion of your income sets the stage for your first significant financial milestone. But the journey doesn't end with saving, it's just the beginning. Investing becomes your trusty sidekick as you accumulate more. Learn about stocks, bonds, and real estate. Make your money work for you and witness the magical compound interest turning your dollars into financial superheroes. Budgeting is the map that keeps you on course. Know where your money goes, allocate wisely, and avoid the treacherous waters of debt. A well-crafted budget ensures a smooth sail toward your financial goals. As your financial ship sails further, you encounter the rocky terrain of unexpected challenges. That's where the emergency fund comes in. Accumulating your first $1,000, then $5,000 and beyond forms a protective shield against the storms of life. Debt management is a dragon every financial adventurer must face. Tame it wisely, whether it's student loans, credit cards, or other debts. A strategic plan helps you conquer this beast and continue your journey unhindered. As you progress, educational investments become vital. Investing in yourself is the key to unlocking new territories. Acquiring new skills, certifications, or degrees can exponentially increase your earning potential, propelling your financial ship forward. But let's not forget the power of side hustles. In the gig economy, your skills can open doors to additional income streams. Whether it's freelancing, consulting, or a passion project, side hustles can significantly boost your financial voyage. Mindful spending is a compass that keeps your financial ship aligned. Spend intentionally on things that matter and trim the excess. A conscious approach to spending ensures that every dollar contributes to your financial goals. As you approach the $100,000 mark, celebrating milestones becomes essential. Reflect on your journey, acknowledge achievements, and set new goals. Celebrate both the small victories and the grand milestones along the way, for they are the wind in your financial sails. In conclusion, the first $100,000 is not just a financial achievement, it's a testament to your resilience and strategic financial planning. If you found this insight valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial adventures. Until our next voyage into the seas of wealth building, keep sailing toward your dreams. This is Financial Whiteboard.